The environmental problems like global warming, air pollution, waste disposal, water pollution, and climate change, and many more affect every human, animal, and nation on this planet. Disposing of waste is a subject which I believe would need urgent attention. Disposing of waste has huge environmental impacts and can cause serious problems. It leads to hazards like environmental degradation, water pollution, soil pollution, and air pollution. Statistics show that in 2001, India generated 46 million tons of waste, and by 2048, this number is predicted to reach an estimate of 125 million tons, making India the largest waste contributor of the world. As an outcome of the pandemic, I believe many habits will change to make this world and this planet a better place for all of us. I think travel overall will dramatically come down because of video conferencing and the opportunity to connect with people without actually meeting them face to face. We will be encouraged to grow more trees, to leave the leaves on the trees. I think killing less animals for meat and moving to alternate sources of meat like manufactured meat or plant-based meat will be a great opportunity for us. Reduction in the waste by buying less clothes and by hanging on to our cell phone or our electronics and not changing them so often. Reduction in waste by reducing water consumption and reduction in food wastage. These are some of the areas which I believe will definitely have a significant impact after the pandemic. As a healthcare organization, managing our waste becomes an integral process and function that will have an impact on the environment. Optimizing and minimizing the waste goes a long way in ensuring a safer environment for all of us.